Hello students, welcome back to my next video lecture. As in last video lecture we had done some numericals based on the concentration terms, and in this today's video I will derive some relationship between different type of concentration terms. Okay, and the first relationship is between molarity and molality. How you have to establish relationship between molarity and molality. Let us take molarity of solution is designated by capital M. This is the value given for the molarity and that solution whose molarity is M is having density D. Okay, and the solute present in it is having molar mass M2. These are assumptions. Okay, yeah, you can say these are the values which are given to you initially. Okay, now we have to interpret meaning of molarity. What is the meaning of molarity? Molarity M means if you take 1000 ml of such solution which is having molarity M, that solution is having that solution 1000 ml of that solution is having M mole of solute. Okay, so let us take 1000 ml of such solution for our calculation purpose. Okay, so mass of 1000 ml of solution will be 1000 to D. How this come? We know that density is equal to mass by volume. If we want to calculate mass of solution, that will be mass equal to density into volume. So density volume we had taken 1000 ml and density of the solution we had taken D. Okay, so mass of 1000 ml of solution is equal to 1000 into D. Mass of solvent will be, what will be the mass of solvent? Mass of solution minus mass of solute. Mass of solution is 1000 into D. Okay, and what is mass of solute? We know that this solution which is having molarity M contains M number of moles, and solute is having molar mass M2. So what will be the mass of solute? Number of moles of solute multiplied by the molar mass of solute. This is the mass of solute present in the solution. So this comes out to be 1000 D minus M2. This is the mass of solvent. So in kilogram, what will be the mass of solvent? This is the mass of solvent calculated in grams. Okay, so if you want to convert this mass into kilogram, then you have to divide this mass with 1000, and this comes out to be D minus M into M2 by 1000. Okay, so this is the mass of solvent in kilogram. So molality comes out to be, you know that what is the formula to calculate molality? Moles of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg, and moles of solute present in the solution which we was talking about is capital M, and mass of solvent kg we calculated this D minus M M2 by 1000. So molality comes out to be molarity divided by density minus M M2 by 1000. Okay, so this is the relation which is established between molality and molarity. Okay, so this is how you can calculate. Okay, you can apply this shortcut whenever there is molarity is given. You can apply this shortcut formula to calculate molality. Otherwise you can adapt the direct method as I told you in the numericals. Okay, so you can also use that direct methods. Next is relationship between molality and mole fraction. Okay, and in case of this, let us say we have a solution having molarity small m, and what you interpret from molarity small m, it means m mole of solute is present in 1000 gram of solvent. Let us take situation as it is, means we had taken that much amount of solution which is containing 1000 gram of solvent in, and m mole of solute is present in that particular amount of solvent. This is the situation taken as it is. So what is the mole fraction of solute? You know that to calculate mole fraction of solute, how you calculate mole fraction of solute? You have to divide number of moles of solute with total number of moles. Okay, and number of moles of solute here is m. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स? टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स में क्या आएगा? ये बाइनरी, दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन विच इज टॉकिंग अबाउट इज बाइनरी सॉल्यूशन बिकॉज इट कंटेन ओनली सॉल्वेंट एंड सोल्यूट। ओके, सो इट मीन्स नीचे टोटल नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूशन आनी है, तो वो क्या आएगा? नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट प्लस नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्वेंट। एंड इन दिस सिचुएशन सपोज्ड सॉल्वेंट इज 1000 ग्राम, तो व्हाट इज द number of moles of solvent? 1000 divided by its molar mass, let it be m1. Okay, and what is the number of moles of solute? That is small m, that is given. Okay, so you put the value, so this is the value of x2 in term of molality. Small m is the molality and capital M1 is the molar mass of solvent. Here not mass, you can say molar mass, add this word molar in it. Okay, so now we have to solve this. After solving, taking m1 in the denominator, okay, common, then आपके पास m1 जो है ये ऊपर आ जाएगा और यहाँ m1 से मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएगी. You will get, by solving this equation you get x2. x2 क्या है आपके पास? not x2, chi2. chi2 is mole fraction of solvent. This comes out to be molality into molar mass of solvent divided by 1000 plus molality into molar mass of solvent. Okay, so अगर आप इसको फर्दर सॉल्व करना चाहते हो, लेट अस से कि आपको इस साइड इंडिविजुअल फॉर्म में मोलैलिटी चाहिए, तो आप कैसे करोगे? यू हैव टू इन्वर्ट दिस इक्वेशन, इन्वर्ट ऑन बोथ साइड्स, तो दिस साइड बिकम 1 बाई x2 एंड दिस साइड बिकम्स 1000 बाई m1 प्लस 1, एंड ये प्लस 1 इधर माइनस 1 लेके आओगे, तो आफ्टर सॉल्विंग दिस, ओके, the expression for molality comes out to be 1000 into x2 by x1 m1. okay, क्लियर? बिकॉज यहाँ पे जब इसको इस स्टेप से आगे फर्दर सॉल्व किया तो ये बन गया 1 माइनस x2 बाई x2 इक्वल टू 1000 m बाई m1 एंड 1 माइनस x2 इज इक्वल टू x1. ओके, क्योंकि आपको पता है बाइनरी सोल्यूशन है, तो मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सोल्यूट प्लस मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्वेंट विल बी इक्वल टू 1, एज वी नो दैट सम ऑफ मोल फ्रैक्शंस is equal to 1. So 1 minus x2 comes out to be x1. Okay, so this is the value x1. Clear? So this is it. From this you calculated molality is equal to 1000 into x2 by x1 by m1. Okay, so this is the relationship between molality and mole fraction of solute, and this is the mole fraction of solvent. Okay, you can remember this equation as well as this equation also. Okay, it's your choice which you want to remember. So next, in the next relation, we are going to establish relationship between molarity and mole fraction. Okay, you have to assume that density of solution is given, that is small d. Okay, and capital M means molarity capital M means you have to interpret the value. Capital M means m mole is present in 1000 ml of solution. ओके, मोलैरिटी m किसी सोल्यूशन की हो, उससे क्या आप मतलब निकालते हो कि इफ़ यू टेक 1000 ml ऑफ सच सोल्यूशन it contain capital M number of moles. Okay, and you have also assumed that m2 and m1 is given. What is m2? Molar mass of solute, and m1 molar mass of solvent. Okay, so let us take a situation as it is. This is the situation which is given to you in numerical. So let us say take situation as it is. Then the mole fraction of solute comes out to be, what is the mole fraction of solute? Mole fraction of solute will be equal to number of moles of solute, mole fraction of solute is equal to number of moles of solute by number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent. Okay, this is the formula, and you know that how many number of moles are there? Capital M number of moles are there of solute. You put it the value here. Okay, similarly in denominator number of moles of solute plus number of moles of solvent, वो कैसे आएंगे? ठीक है, सॉल्वेंट कितना लिया, सॉरी, हाँ, सॉल्वेंट के नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कैसे निकलेंगे? आपको सबसे पहले मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट निकालना पड़ेगा. ठीक है, एंड टू कैलकुलेट मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट, ये वैल्यू कैसे आई है ये समझा रहा हूँ. मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट कैसे आएगा? ठीक है, आपके पास जो सोल्यूशन है, ये कितना ml लिया आपने? 1000 ml सोल्यूशन, ओके, उसका वेट कितना होगा, मल्टीप्लाई डी, दिस इज दी weight of solution minus weight of solvent. What is weight of solvent? Number of moles of solvent तो ये हैं m, सॉरी weight of solute minus weight of solute करना है, m number of moles of solute multiply by its molar mass, and molar mass is m2. Okay, so this is equal to, this much is equal to mass of solvent. और mass of solvent को molar mass में कैसे convert करेंगे, mass को divide कर दो molar mass से, और molar mass of solvent कितना है, m1. Okay, so this is the number of moles of solvent. Okay, here it is. Okay, ये value आपने put कर दी. So mole fraction of solute comes out to be m divided by m plus 1000 d minus m into m2 by m1. And on solving this equation you will get this. Okay, और इन दोनों को इकट्ठा किया, उसके बाद इनमें से कैपिटल M कॉमन निकाल लिया. सो ये आपके पास एक्सप्रेशन बन गया मोल फ्रैक्शन ऑफ सॉल्यूट का. ओके, clear, this is the relationship between mole fraction and molarity. Okay, if you had given molarity, then you can calculate mole fraction directly by applying this shortcut formula. Okay, but if you don't remember this formula, then you can proceed with the simple method as I told you in the numericals, okay, in the previous video. Okay, so next relationship is between molality and solubility. Okay, and here let us say m2 is the mass of solute which is given to you. Okay, and now first of all, what is the meaning of solubility? Solubility means mass of solute in 100 gram of solvent to attain saturated solution. Okay, कि कितना solute लगता है to attain solute लगता है to dissolve in 100 gram of solvent to attain the saturation state. Okay, to make saturated solution, okay, at a fixed temperature, that is called as solubility of particular solute in the particular solvent. Okay, clear, कि कितना solute का mass आप dissolve कर सकते हो maximum 100 gram of solvent में. Okay, that is the meaning of solubility. Let us say solubility S is given. So what is the meaning of solubility S? It means S gram of solute will dissolve in 100 gram of solvent. So let us take situation as it is, means there is S gram of solute and that is present in 100 gram of solvent. So you want to calculate molality. So how will you calculate molality? You know that you have to for molality. What is the meaning of molality? Formula for molality is number of moles of solute by mass of solvent in kg. But number of moles of solute is not provided. You are provided with mass of solute. तो mass of solute कितना है, s ग्राम. बट आपको इस मास ऑफ सोल्यूट को नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट में कन्वर्ट करने के लिए क्या चाहिए, मोलर मास, वो भी दिया हुआ है. मोलर मास ऑफ सोल्यूट इज m2. तो number of moles present in s gram of solute, that will be equal to s divided by m2. Okay, so this is the number of moles present in the solution. And what is the mass of solvent? This is given 1000 gram, sorry 100 gram. Okay, because you interpreted value of s, solubility s. तो 100 ग्राम सोल्यूशन में 100 ग्राम सॉल्वेंट का मास है, तो मीन्स 100 ग्राम मीन्स 0.1 kg. तो मोलारिटी की एक्सप्रेशन में आपने वैल्यू पुट कर दी. दिस इज नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ सोल्यूट डिवाइडेड बाय मास ऑफ सॉल्वेंट इन kg. तो s by m2 divided by 0.1. So this comes out to be 10 into s by m2. Okay, so it means molarity is equal to solubility multiplied by 10 divided by the molar mass of solute. Okay, so this is relationship between molality and solubility. If any of one is given, then you can directly find other with the help of this shortcut, if you remember. Otherwise you can adapt also long method, because this formula, this whole calculation, okay, is based on the long method. Okay, otherwise I will solve this particular type of assumptions and then solving in the numerical, okay, without knowing the relationship, if you don't know relation. But if you remember it, then you can apply this shortcut in your examinations. Okay, so that's it. These are some relationship between some concentration terms. Okay, thank you.